Hello traders, it's Chris from the Platinum Trading Academy, Monday, April 7th, 2014. Please take a second to pause the video and read our disclaimer. In this video, you're going to see, by using the FX Turbo trading strategy, how our students are able to consistently collect pips from markets. In this recent example, we are going to be looking at the Great British Pound against the US dollar on a 60-minute time frame for the period of January-February 2014. So looking at the chart, like any trading system, it works really well when a currency pair is trending up or trending down, and tends not to work as well when there's periods of consolidation and range. So as you can see here, where the market is above the black line, the market was making higher highs and higher lows, trending up in a nice bullish direction. And then it crossed down below, and then it went into the sell zone below the black dashed line, therefore making lower lows and lower highs. And then you can see from about January 6th all the way to about January 14, it was not really convincingly making higher highs and higher lows. In fact, it started making higher highs, higher lows, and then it started to make a lower low and a lower high. So that's where we've got the sideways consolidation. So as I said, what we're looking for is price to be in the buy zone or the sell zone, making higher highs and higher lows for a bullish movement, and lower lows and lower highs for a bearish movement. Okay, I'm going to run the charts on now so you can see how the system automatically places the trade once all the conditions are all in place. This, once the position is on, this will allow us to manually manage the trade as it progresses. Okay, so the buy trade has eventually been triggered. The red line below the entry point is set at an 80 pip stop loss with a profit target of 200 pips. So as we're moving the trade on, you can see now that we spent a little bit of time in consolidation. Now that we're above the entry line, we continue to make profits. And at this stage, once we start closing above the last high here, we are now in a position where we can start thinking about moving our stop loss. So moving it up around about 10 pips below the previous fractal lows will suffice. And then all we do then is just wait, allow the trade to progress, and hopefully we'll hit the profit target as expected. Okay guys, so there's the first buy trade, which has hit target plus 200 pips. Move on to the next trade now, which will give you an example of a sell bearish opportunity. So I mentioned earlier that the system is great when it's trending, but as you can see here, we ended into a sell trade here, which quickly rallied back up to the north to stop out. In fact, the stop loss was reduced, and then we likewise ended into another buy trade here, and subsequently that was stopped out as well. And now the system's triggered into another short trade now, so we'll follow this one through. You can see it's already set the stop loss, which is again 80 pips. And the profit target of 200 pips. So you can see how the trade progresses, just shy of hitting the profit target on this occasion, then goes through it to bank another 200 pips. So here you can see the FX Turbo system has automatically entered in the buy position. Stop loss and limit levels have been set accordingly. 80 pips risk and 200 pips reward. and as we get a candle close above previous structure highs, we can then move our stop loss up to around 10 pips below the previous lows, therefore at the moment reducing the risk from 80 pips to approximately 50 pips. Again, same rule applies. We have a close above a previous structure high, now making a new higher high. So we can now move our stop loss to just above break even. And there we go. The system has banked another 200 pips. Well, it just leaves me to say thanks very much for your time and attention today on this video. Hope you found the information of interest. If you'd like to find any more information out about the Trading Academy and the systems that we provide our members free of charge, please do not hesitate to contact us on the details on the screen. Until then, happy trading!